This week, Apple showed off big updates coming soon to its products, including the iPhone.
Rich DeMuro goes hands-on in today's Rich on Tech.
Surprise, the next generation of Apple software won't be called iOS 19. Instead, it's iOS 26. Apple is changing the way it names its updates. I got to go hands-on with the new software before it's available to the general public. Liquid glass, that's the design mantra for the next generation of Apple software.
But I think it will be a pretty significant deal. It certainly looks very visually incredibly compelling.
Think clear, clean, smooth, and transparent.
I'm not going to say it lights the world on fire, but it certainly, confirms Apple's obsession with look and feel, with design attributes.
I got to go hands-on with the new software at Apple headquarters in Cupertino. You'll see the new look across iPhone, Apple Watch, Macs, and the iPad, which is getting an operating system that works more like a computer. You can now resize app windows, have multiple apps open at once, and even access a menu bar at the top of the screen. On the Mac, I saw new options like transparent icons and colorful folders with emojis. Live activities from the iPhone now appear on the Mac, along with a fully functional phone app that uses an iPhone's cellular connection. Apple Watch is getting an AI workout buddy that motivates you in real time, a one-handed wrist flick to dismiss notifications and return to the home screen, and two handy new features: flight tracking if you tap a flight number in your texts, and instant conversions if you tap a measurement.
Hi, if you record your name and reason for calling, I'll see if this person is available.
But the iPhone is getting the most attention. Check out that transparent home screen. The camera app is now simpler, just photo and video modes front and center. And you can now transform pictures in a tap to spatial photos that seem to pop off your screen. But the feature with the most daily impact might be call screening. When an unknown number calls, AI will ask who it is and show you their response on the lock screen. Only then does your phone ring, giving you the choice to pick up or ignore it. Apple's new software launches this fall alongside the next iPhones, but if you're curious, there will be a public beta available in July. I'm Rich DeMuro, that's Rich on Tech.